So Maliha is here. Maliha, introduce yourself.
Uh, my name is Maliha. I just turned 21. Cannot?
Wow. Okay, you're trying to make a YouTube video আজকে while এই যে tier list বানানোর সময় আর কি basically.
Oh, YouTube video. Oh, acha. Oh.
My name is Maliha. I turned 21. কেন? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Wait. I really thought আমার YouTube video intro কি হবে?
আচ্ছা তুমি
But
চিন্তা
then,
করতে থাকো আমরা খেলি ততক্ষণ হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা কি খেলতেছো তোমরা?
Okay, so this is the tier list. Check করো stream আমার.
Oh, আচ্ছা. আচ্ছা,
Yeah,
আচ্ছা.
this is
Wait.
called the K-drama tropes. We are gonna rank the K-drama tropes
Absolutely, yes.
8 tier গুলাতে. And so let's start. It's been very long.
Chef's keys happened to me. Oh no, why did they think of that? Cute.
How did they even think of that? It's that.
Oh, acha. Cute. Very typical jail. Acha, okay.
Oh wow, I wrote it ভুল spelling করছি. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's start. Amnesia. It's like they forget each other. না মানে one person forgets the other while they were very in love. Accident করে ওইটা.
Jail. Absolute jail.
Yeah, I feel like it's also very typical. But jail.
Very typical.
This should be
Very
jail.
typical, but like I hate it, you know? I
Yeah.
hate this. Like আর কোনো plot think করতে পারে না last moment এটা দিছে।
এটাই like 10টা এপিসোড হইছে 16টা এপিসোড
That's
করতে হবে
হ্যাঁ।
written very badly. It's just মানে very convenient to the plot. আর কিছু
Yeah.
না, just ওর লাভারকেই মনে রাখতে পারে না, বাকি সবাইকে মনে রাখতে পারে।
সবাইকে মনে রাখে হ্যাঁ
ওইটাই।
আচ্ছা amusement park date it needs to happen to me
Chef's kiss.
Nah, typical.
It's very
it is
typical.
also very typical but I want it to
হ্যাঁ।
happen to me
Cute.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে cute
It will happen to you.
আচ্ছা cute তাহলে
It happens in every K-drama.
ওই যে
I'm
strong
gonna be honest, I don't like it.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে very typical যাও
আচ্ছা very typical যাও।
Sorry.
birth
I just really don't like those things.
আচ্ছা
মানে যতবার আসে
birth secret বলতে কি আবার
লুকায় বার্থ গিফট করছে
maybe
না
না। But secret as in like
something ও
ও সিক্রেট
বাড়িতে সময় ওকে
প্রেগন্যান্সি
জানাবে নাই।
মানে আমি বুঝিনি
it's
মানে মনে
either
করো
secret
she was born with a superpower but
Wait,
no
একজন
one ever
বলো,
told her
একজন বলো।
এরকম।
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ born with
Oh.
a superpower but no one ever told her birth secret
Or like she was born very rich but she never knew.
oh wow that needs
Oh,
to happen
that's a good one.
to me.
Actually, I like that. How did they even think of that? Honestly,
হ্যাঁ
How did they think of that?
bromance
Okay.
is amazing.
Romance, cute.
Bromance is
cute,
always
I think.
cute. I love bromance. Bass fall.
basketball very typical.
Very typical, হ্যাঁ।
It's not even cute.
Yeah.
Menace
I
children.
Jail.
hate meta children.
Jail.
I hate meta
Exactly. Hi. কেন
Jail,
দুইটা
jail.
random মানুষ ওদের কেন they have to meet as fucking children?
না
Can't they meet as
হইতেই
adults?
হবে।
You know,
হইতেই হবে।
আমি না I was rewatching It's Okay to Not Be Okay কয়েকদিন আগে and I completely forgot the Metas children plot ওদের ওই ড্রামাটাতে and আমি দেখতেছি তারপর লাস্টে গিয়ে এটা হলো I was like oh I don't like this anymore.
Yeah.
এটাই
It was not
don't
necessary.
rewatch your favorite K-drama.
হ্যাঁ
Yeah.
Like reply never disappoints.
reply
You're
never
right.
They literally made us children. ওখান থেকে কাহিনী।
হ্যাঁ
Cohabitation
reply our beloved
Cohabitation cute.
একটা name one cohabitation drama.
আচ্ছা it's cute, you're right, it's cute.
Laughter in Waikiki.
Yeah, that's
because
true.
WI cohabitation was bad.
Yeah.
Is
true.
beautiful Miss O?
Actually, I
Acha.
don't
Would
know.
you nevertheless
Acha, I feel like cohabitation would also be like neighbors or something, like একই এরিয়াতে।
would you fight for me?
হ্যাঁ।
Fight for me.
Oh, the Serendipity's Embrace নতুন যেটা আসছে ওটাও cohabitation তাইলে they're neighbors.
Okay. তাহলে it's
Yeah.
cute. It's typical but
It's
cute.
cute,
Cute.
yeah.
Contract
Okay.
relationship.
Jail. Jail.
So
Yeah,
typical
yeah,
jail. Yeah.
Mhm.
Enemies to lovers.
Yeah.
Yeah, happened to me.
Yeah.
Exactly. Evil
Yeah.
mother-in-law.
Jail.
Jail.
Nah, jail.
Love that.
Jealous
Check.
ex. Dead.
Jealous ex.
Uh,
Jail.
jail.
Jail. Flashbacks. I think I like
Very
Flashbacks.
typical.
flashbacks.
Very typical. Very typical.
Honestly,
Very
Flashback
typical.
is
है.
typical.
Huh.
Okay.
Typical.
Doesn't mean it's
I
bad.
hate
It's
I
just
hate friends to
very.
lovers.
happened to me. Please,
Okay.
nah.
It up.
I love friends to lovers.
I feel like cute is perfect for it. You know, it's
Yeah,
like
it
It's
is.
cute.
perfect for friends and lovers because it's like a second lead thing.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
I like friends to lovers, but like it's
I
like
love
cute.
friends to
It's
lovers.
boring.
It's
Same,
not the
same.
main, it's never the main
Boring.
story. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Hidden identity. I love that.
Jail. No.
Jail?
Um,
It is whatever
Jayla, I
identity I
think
think of
hidden
Rabbi
identity
Banadi.
is like very typical to me, honestly.
Typical.
not
Hidden
very
identity
typical though.
typical na.
Nah,
It's
it's
not
just
very
it makes
typical.
me
It's more
think of
like
রাম ইয়া তিজান আর মালিহা একসাথে কথা
unnecessary.
বলছে
sorry.
একজন একজন
Rabne Banadi Jori.
রাবনে বানাতি চোরে
That's what
এটা
I
কে
think of.
ড্রামা এটা কে ড্রামা
Yeah, true.
How do
আচ্ছা
you think of it, জায়গায় যদি why they even thought of that থাকলে তাহলে I would put hidden identity. It's
আচ্ছা
always so
হাউ
unnecessary.
honestly it's kind of how
হ্যাঁ,
মানে
এটাই
it's
বললাম
how on
it's
the
like
bad side
unnecessary.
Yeah.
okay okay
okay.
what if they're like hiding their identity ওই যে তোমার যেরকম ইয়াতে ছিল what's that K drama evil flower of the evil কি জানি
দেখি নেই
Oh,
নেই
ওইটা hidden identity
আচ্ছা
বলা
so
যায়।
anything
ওটা
secret
তো ছিল
or
second.
hidden it's kind of how did they think of that আচ্ছা
I
ঠিক
think
আছে
if you bring like murder
Yeah.
mystery kind of K-drama, তাহলে I fuck with this. Chef's kiss.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে আচ্ছা
Yeah.
insta
It
love
is
I
just
hate
a
it
regular fucking drama.
Um,
Nah,
Insta
Insta
love
love, sure.
is
Insta
very
love
typical, yeah.
is like, Insta love is like lust. So if it's lust, তাইলে I kind of fuck with it. But
Oh,
if it's
wait.
actually just I fucking love you, তাইলে I don't fuck with it.
No, I don't.
Insta
I
love.
honestly
I
think
thought
it's
Insta
just
love is online love.
no nah nah nah
We meet on Instagram.
this needs to
oh
make it to the cut.
yeah it's not online love actually I'm sorry it's not Instagram love it's like দেখতেই প্যারে পড়ে গেছে ওই যে প্যারে পড়ে গেছে
Yeah.
প্রেমে পড়ে গেছে
That's
প্যারায়
never
পড়ে
done.
গেছে।
I don't like it.
দেখি
আচ্ছা
প্যারায়
Typical
পড়ে
love.
গেলাম।
insta love is typical like do something creative man
ওটাই
Yeah.
আচ্ছা
I
Luna
like Luna
romance
romance.
I fuck with
Okay.
it.
I'll be honest. I like it.
I
I
don't
fuck
like
with
it
it.
That's
There
because you guys
oh,
can't do something in the rain, তাই না? শুনো আমি বলি
আচ্ছা কিউট তাইলে
because
আচ্ছা
Luna
Yeah,
romance
it's
is
cute.
always grumpy like sunshine.
like the Luna
হ্যাঁ
is grumpy and the chotota is sunshine
It's
Yeah, I
sunshine.
fucking love them. I fuck with them.
okay Tizan I hope you find your sunshine
No,
Or
I don't want Luna
very
romance.
Should happen to me. Poor girl Ritika should happen to me.
should happen to me you're right
Probably
Now
happen to me.
that is so funny yeah it should happen to me
I hate poor girl rich guy.
I mean me too
I
but it needs to
very
happen to
typical.
me I would love it if it happened to me
Yeah.
আচ্ছা rooftop scenes I think should happen to me.
rooftop
Yeah, should happen to me.
should happen
I
to me
love rooftop
Yeah.
scenes.
Oof, running after a
Running
vehicle is so typical
And if I
It's
say
cute.
jail,
It's cute.
it's typical
really? Yeah, it's stupid. You're never gonna catch the fucking bus.
You're
That
right, but
scene. Don't
please
run.
just got
I
the
don't
bus.
think I think there are worse things দুনিয়াতে than running after a vehicle that should be jailed
Sorry.
আচ্ছা very
শোনো,
typical,
এটা
yeah, very
ranking.
typical. সেগুক মানে কি সেগুক?
Seguk ki
Seguk is historical drama, historical K-drama.
Fuck with it, bro. I love it.
I don't like
But if
it
it's
but
cute, you
it's
have to
I
be in the
love-
vibe for
it's
I
Seguk.
think
cute
historical dramas just come to you, okay? When it comes to you, you will not be able to stop. I have a
Yeah.
feeling.
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
actually really like second male lead syndrome
what second
Also
male lead
painful
syndrome?
though.
it's like you are really yearning মানে তুমি চাও যে সেকেন্ড লিডটা যাতে মেয়েটা পাক
ও আচ্ছা like ওই যে true beauty
ew yeah basically
Yeah, I think it's cute.
Aw,
I
true
think
beauty.
it's cute.
yeah Honestly, how did they think of that? Man, how do they make the script so good that you like the second lead more than the main lead?
Okay, okay, হ্যাঁ
Honestly, I feel like most of the time it's just that the first lead was written so badly, you just
A-type.
end up
yeah
liking
Yeah,
the
A-type.
second lead.
everyone likes
Acha,
the
it's
second lead.
cute.
Yeah.
You're right, you're right.
power scene
Yeah.
Shower scene,
Ooh.
jail.
I fuck with that
Jail.
I fuck with
Okay,
it
Loki, what if I
Wait,
fuck
why
with
is
it?
Acha, ঠিক আছে.
please
Can you
happen
put
to
it
me
as
yeah
cute?
Okay, okay. Cute.
হ্যাঁ
It's
cute
not
cute
cute,
হ্যাঁ
it's supposed to be
it's
steamy.
a cute it's cute slash sexy
Acha, ঠিক আছে.
হ্যাঁ।
Cute
Hmm.
Okay.
or
Smexy
smexy, yeah. Okay. Subway
Subway
Cute or
advertisement.
sexy type
Jail.
romance.
Yeah.
everything
Boycott Subway.
Supernatural.
Supernatural K-dramas are very bad.
yeah I
I'm gonna be
Yeah.
honest.
Oh my
but
god,
এখন আর
time
দেখি
travel,
না।
I fuck with it. Oof. Sorry, sorry.
I fuck with it too how did they think of that
Yeah.
Acha, how did they think of that? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
They do
even
it
though
so
it's so
well.
difficult but I fucking
It
they
is.
always change something
Yeah. আচ্ছা সুপারন্যাচারাল হ্যাঁ এটা কি করব
এটা হচ্ছে very typical
স্যাপেকা
Very typical, yeah.
কোথায় টিপিক্যাল আমি
Traffic
তো ছবি দেখি না
accident.
Jail.
That's cute.
Is this one jail?
তুমি কি আমাকে
Fucking
কিউট
jail.
বললা মালিহা ডিড ইউ জাস্ট সে কিউট
Yeah, well, it would be funny if we put it as cute.
ও আচ্ছা আই
Traffic
থিংক ইটস
accident.
কিউট ইট
Maliha.
নিডস টু হ্যাপেন টু মি
Happened to me.
needs to happen to me আচ্ছা লাভ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আই লাভ
Love
লাভ
triangle.
ট্রায়াঙ্গেল
Well, honestly, I like.
Girl.
I
আচ্ছা
love
it
love
depends
triangle.
it depends মাঝে মাঝে they're really
It's
bad
very good if it's well
When it's a
written.
true beauty
I would
I
say very
hate it
typical.
যেমন reply টা I loved it it was fun
ভাই
Yes, if
রিপ্লাইটা
it's well written, it's
আচ্ছা এনিওয়েজ
Sundari lead no jail
jail
If it's written well, not if it's written well, তাইলে why not?
please you should also go to jail
বাহ! আচ্ছা wouldn't you like a grumpy সুন্দ্রে মানে কি লাইক ভিতরে ভিতরে ও না না সরি বাইরে দিয়ে
He
রুড
loves you
crazy
and
about
বাইরে
you
দেখায় না।
obsessed
সুন্দ্রে মানে কি
ওটা
জানি
সুন্দরে ওটা না
obsessed
আরেকটা
talk
ইয়ান্দেরে
of-
আচ্ছা
না
আচ্ছা ওয়েট ওটা তো
obsessed না ইয়ান্দেরে
oh
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
oh
সুন্দ্রে
right
সুন্দ্রে
Sundari
অন্য
মানে তো
জিনিস
I like you but I don't like you
সুন্দরে is
এরকম
like
I
grumpy,
love
yeah,
that
আমি
yeah, he's
বলি
like likes you
সুন্দ্রে
inside but he doesn't express it.
আমি
সুন্দরে
বলি
says
সুন্দ্রে
just
মানে
this.
হচ্ছে a character most often female in anime who switches
It would
from
be
being
nice that
touch
she
and cold
they in
towards a
love with
love
you
to being soft and sweet আচ্ছা মানে tough on the outside soft on the inside basically I
হ্যাঁ
fuck with
the
that
nice that they're in love with you
Cute,
I
right?
love it I love it হ্যাঁ
yeah
But I wouldn't want that to happen to me though.
okay I want that to happen
Oh
to
no,
me
really
Ramisha
রাখো।
cute. Just
I
put
want
cute.
that to happen to someone so
আচ্ছা
that I
cute
can watch
cute I think it's cute
Okay, fine, fine. না, ওখানেই রাখো।
না cute
না
থাক
ওখানে দেখো chef's kiss I
আচ্ছা
think
ঠিক
হ্যাঁ
আছে you're right
Yeah,
but it needs to be
হ্যাঁ।
well written if it's like Cha Yun Woo acting as a brick wall it doesn't make sense
eating Thailand is bad okay
You know, ওই যে
Wild
What's Wrong with
Swan.
Secretary Kim I feel like is very
oh my
sundere.
god I'm gonna watch it
yeah,
আজকে I
yeah.
fucking love that
I
show
like that
আচ্ছা
Yeah.
ঠিক আছে okay wall slam
Hey,
তো
দুইটাই
দেখি।
jail. Just saying.
You know what?
No, why
Okay,
is that-
hear me out. If it's
হ্যাঁ,
done
ওটাই।
well, it's sexy.
ওটাই।
আচ্ছা is
It's
it
never
like
done well.
how do you
It's never done well.
no it's like anger issues right I hate that
হ্যাঁ,
না 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 which is just
No, like the hot
মাথার
wall
পাশে
slam,
হাত
like
রাখতে,
wall
ওটাই হলো
slam,
wall
pushing
slam.
না
the
that's
wall.
that's not a slam that's ওই যে
না।
কাবেদন কাবেদন বলে না
But ওটাই বুঝাইতে চাচ্ছে না
না slam
হ্যাঁ ওটা বুঝাতে চাচ্ছে
Oh, I thought রাগের চোটে
ওইটাই।
wall
না,
slam
না
না।
ওটা কেন ট্রুপ হবে
ওটাই তো
আচ্ছা so it's like he slams you or she slams you against the
না
wall
না না
হ্যাঁ
you're against the wall and he puts your hand next to your head ওইটার pose আছে না I think they're talking about that pose কারণ দেখো হাত
Yeah, I think it's smack slam.
okay wrist grab if it's like a gentle grab
No.
sure
jail
No,
okay,
jail.
okay
Don't
I
fucking
hate
grab
wrist
this.
grab
Me
exactly
okay some people would like it if
I'm
it
with
happened to
this-
them just saying
too. No, no.
well some people should go to jail so
Why
some
won't you
people
grab my
will meet
hand?
you
Why would
because
you
you'll be
grab
in the
my
jail
fucking
next
wrist?
to the
Am I
next to
like
the-
your dog?
you don't grab your dogs আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে anyways okay next one এ যাই আমরা which is আমি এটা একটু
okay
cut করি।